Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got actually 4 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We've got the local photos, so this is actually our own gallery. We've got also recently used, pre-installed ones, and live wallpapers. If you will have the internet connection, then you will have the access to online wallpapers. So as you can see here, you've got plenty of options to choose from. You can find more just by tapping here, and you will be transferred to the wallpapers section. As you can see, we've got many options to choose from, and all you have to do in order to change the wallpaper is to simply tap on it. So let me pick, for example, maybe just one. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, we have to tap in order to preview, and it will look like it if we will apply it. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. As you can see right now, you can decide if you want to set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied, so we can go back and check. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation is right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.